Motherboard is the heart of your PC system that powers and connects all other components and unite them. Whether you build an AMD system or Intel, compact PC or massive, getting a motherboard that fits your case is crucial. In today's video, we are going to showcase 5 of the best gaming motherboards to help you find your right pick.
Techfluencer delivers a complete buying guide for tech enthusiasts. Here, we try our best to make you pick the best PC components, laptops, and other tech gadgets with brief technical information, pros and cons, ratings, and recommendations. Our tech expert team tests, reviews, and benchmarks thousands of products to come up with the list of the best and latest products, along with recommendations for the viewers. To know what is the best choice for you, watch the full video and check the description for the purchase links.
Starting at number 5, we have the Asus Prime Z590M Plus, an awesome micro ATX motherboard with the perfect blend of design and performance at a budget price tag. This motherboard adopts a minimal silver and black scheme with multiple onboard heatsinks and thermal padding to keep the temperature down to a minimum. It incorporates a single full-length PCIe 4.0 slot, a total of 3 M.2 SSD slots, and has support for up to 128GB of RAM from its 4 memory slots. On the rear end is located one Type-C, one USB 3.2 Gen 2, 2 USB 3.2 Gen 1, and 4 USB 2.0 ports for connecting your USB devices. I/O end also houses RJ45 LAN port and 3.5mm audio jack for internet and audio connectivity. Apart from that, this motherboard has ASUS's several useful perks such as ASUS 5X Protection 3, Aura Sync RGB, and ASUS Q Design that will make the user experience a lot more convenient. Overall, the Asus Prime Z590M is a reliable budget Z590 motherboard that is less likely to disappoint you. Next up at number 4, we have the Z490i Aorus Ultra from Gigabyte. Designed for gamers, this motherboard packs a ton of power into a small form factor. This motherboard supports up to 64GB of dual-channel DDR4 memory and comes with 2 M.2 SSD slots and one PCIe 4.0 slot for a high-performance graphics card to maximize frame rates and faster video rendering times. For cooling, it comes with a grooved design heatsink, heat pipe, and thermal baseplate that works to deliver lower MOSFET temperatures. Its multi-layered heatsink helps to quickly dissipate heat from the M.2 solid-state drives to avoid thermal throttling. On the back, it comes with 8 USB ports, HDMI, DisplayPort, BIOS/switch, and Gigabit LAN port. There is a high-end audio port and plenty of headers internally, including 4 fan headers and 2 RGB connectors. Overall, the Gigabyte Z490i Aorus Ultra is a well-rounded gaming motherboard that offers exceeding value for the price you pay. At number 3, we have the MPG Z590 Gaming Carbon, a stylish and professional-grade ATX motherboard with greater performance efficiency. By stylish, we are referring to its black and silver accented heatsink design with straight MSI branding on top that lights up with vibrant RGB effects. You can install up to 4 DDR4 sticks on this motherboard with maximum memory support of up to 128GB and 3 M.2 SSDs for optimum memory and storage performance. With a total of 17 USB connections ranging from USB Type-C to USB 2.0 on the front and back, you will have a plethora of connectivity options for all of your peripherals. You will also get one DisplayPort and one HDMI for plugging in your display, while the Intel i225V LAN port offers fast wired network performance. The most amazing thing about this motherboard is its advanced thermal solution, which refers to its extended heatsink design, M.2 Frozer Shield, and AI cooling for extracting out every bit of performance. If performance is what you are aiming for from your Z590 motherboard, then we highly recommend the MPG Z590 Gaming Carbon for you. Coming up at number 2, we have the ROG Crosshair 8 Dark Hero, a gaming motherboard with AM4 socket for AMD gaming builds. This AMD exclusive motherboard supports Ryzen series processor of up to Ryzen 5000, which is just about right for AMD fanatics. The dual channel architecture enables it to work up to 128GB of DDR4 RAM with a maximum bus speed of 4866 MHz when overclocked. Storage-wise, you get 2 PCIe 4.0 M.2 slots along with 8 SATA 6GB per second connectors to keep you rest assured. On the back panel, we are looking at a total of 8 USB 3.2 Gen 2 ports for optimum connectivity. Other perky features include thermal heat sinks and water cooling zone for effective heat dissipation, Aura Sync for subtle RGB visuals, and RAM Cache 3 for managing your system resources. Overall, the ROG Crosshair 8 Dark Hero is a reliable gaming motherboard for gamers who are planning on building their first AMD system. Finally, at number 1, we have the MEG Z590 Godlike from MSI, a high-end gaming motherboard with the perfect blend of design, performance, and longevity. It goes without saying that this premium motherboard is compatible with Intel's latest Tiger Lake series of processors, and with its DDR4 memory support of up to 128GB, this board is all you will be needing to build a gaming PC to support you for years onward. Built for extreme performance, the wavy fin design, thermal pads, Frozer heatsink, and aluminum backplate ensure outstanding thermal performance to keep this motherboard durable during intense use. With its 4 M.2 slots, one being PCIe Gen 4, storage issues are the last thing you might expect from this motherboard. This advanced monitor also incorporates onboard OLED screen to keep you well informed about the status, while the 2 Thunderbolt 4 ports located on the I/O end ensure fast and stable data transfer. Other than that, the Wi-Fi 6E compatibility and high bandwidth LAN port will assist you to enjoy multiplayer games at a much lower latency. To sum things up, the MEG Z590 Godlike is indeed an outstanding gaming motherboard that just might be the best option available to you. So that was all about the top 5 best gaming motherboards. Thanks for watching. If you found this video helpful, give it a thumbs up. Share it with your friends and comment below to let us know your thoughts. Subscribe to our channel and hit the bell icon if you want to see more videos like this on your feed.